Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw corrections in the US market as well, and Indian market also saw a healthy corrections. In fact, the US correction was more driven by data. Positive data has taken the market down, where sales for the pre-owned houses came unexpectedly increased in November month, and consumer confidence data also shown improving. So that has resulted into the expectation that the Fed may or may not be able to cut the rate sooner. As such, we saw corrections in the US market. Anyhow, after consistent run, some corrections was expected on any day. So that has come. And also India yesterday also saw similar type of corrections in across the board, all the scripts. Mainly the shares which has moved up in near term has created a bit more higher positions, and that got unwinded yesterday. Asian market are also seeing some decline. What we see that there will be some consolidations in near term. We had seen good corrections, but to reverse the trend, it will take some time. So we may see some more corrections or maybe consolidation at the current levels. Now request the technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. As we have seen a strong profit booking in yesterday's trading session, when Nifty has made a high of 21,600 and it has closed around 21,150. That's a big fall in yesterday's trading session in Nifty. So if today we're expecting a similar move. We're expecting a negative opening, and it is going to be a cautious day today. And the immediate support for Nifty lies at 21,040 levels. If that is broken, then Nifty might test 20,850 to 20,700 levels also. And if Nifty takes support here from around 21,040 or 21,000 levels, then we can expect an upside towards 21,370 to 21,400. But we have to be cautious today. Moving on to Bank Nifty futures has shown a similar move in yesterday's trading session by breaking a support zone of 48,000. Bank Nifty closed around 47,350. But the thing is, even today, Bank Nifty's support lies at 47,100. If that is broken, then 46,740 to 46,160 can be tested. Whereas the immediate upside resistance lies at 48,060, followed by 48,640. Moving on to Financial Nifty, it closed around 21,250. The support lies at 21,050, followed by 20,800. Whereas upside resistance lies at 21,560, followed by 21,060. So that's all from my side. I request the derivatives team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Aish. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, if we look at the overall data point, the OI portion, we are seeing that it is trading above the average zone. The average zone for the OI portion for the future front is around 1.2 CR or 1.3 CR. But from last 2 days, we are seeing that it is trading near 1.6 CR. So it is over about the average position, due to which we are seeing that the position will get more lighter in coming next 2 to 3 trading session, due to which the selling pressure would be more healthier against the buying scenario. Because if you look at the overall OI position on the options front also, it is visible that Nifty failed to manage 21,500 level. As I mentioned yesterday, that once if Nifty manages to get a stable about 21,500 level, then only we might see follow up buying orders. Again, supply will be witnessed, and we have seen that a healthy selling has been witnessed in yesterday's session. Now, the near support for the Nifty lies at 21,000 mark, where we are seeing that the highest put order positions is holding strongly. Once if Nifty goes below 21,000 mark, then directly the support will go on the downside towards the 20,700 to 20,600 level, where we will witness a fresh short position will be initiated in the market, as we are seeing that the gift nifty is opening almost around 75 to 80 points on the lower end. So directly the selling will be witnessed once market get open. Now, if we compare the Nifty and the Bank Nifty position wise, the Bank Nifty OI positions is more on the negative front than the Nifty OI positions. So we might witness more sell off in the Bank Nifty towards the Nifty front. The support for the Bank Nifty on the downside would be 47,000 level. Once if Bank Nifty goes below 47,000 level, then directly the support for the Bank Nifty comes towards 46,200 level. So the initial basis we will see that a Nifty support is at 21,000 mark and Bank Nifty is at 47,000 mark. Once if both the support gets broken, then we should get little more cautious in the market for creating new long positions. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has signed a contract of 1,600 crores with Ministry of Defense for construction and delivery of 6 next generation offshore patrol vessels for the Indian Coast Guard. This is positive. Cochin Shipyard has also received an order of almost 500 crores from Ministry of Defense for repair and maintenance of onboard onboard naval vessel. So that's also positive. And one IPO will be listing today, Inox India. We had already covered it 1 week back, and we had given subscribe rating. Stock is expected to list at a premium of 80%. Total issue size is 1,460 crores, entirely OFS. At the today's price when it will list, market cap will be almost 11,000 crores. Inox is the largest supplier of cryogenic equipment in India and is among the top 10 players globally. By cryogenic equipment, we mean containers which can be used for storage and transportation of hazardous industrial gases and chemicals, where the temperature is typically between minus 100 degrees to minus 270 degrees inside the container. So making such equipment requires deep technical knowledge, and also the application is very critical. This is the reason for the company's EBITDA margins of 21%, which is much higher than any average typical capital goods company. Combined with a strong asset turn of 1.5 times, historically Inox has delivered ROC of over 30%. Increasing importance of green fuels like liquid hydrogen and preference of LNG over diesel is leading to robust top line growth for Inox. If we look at last 3 years, company has grown its top line at 14% CAGR from FY20 to 23. And in the first half, top line growth is 16%, which is broadly in line with the capital goods players. So the future looks bright, but the price at which it will list, we think that it will be fully valued at that price. Thank you.
Good morning. Sonata Software signs strategic partnership with Omega Group. This will enable Omega to achieve standardization and optimization of business process, bring in more transparency to performance. The deal size is not known. This is positive to Sonata Software. Thank you.
Yeah. Apart from this, Sony has indicated that they will be discussing the extension of the expiry date of their mergers discussion. That was 21st December. So that was a concern for G Entertainment, whether this deadline will be extended or not. And now this discussion, they had indicated that they will be discussing on that. That comes as a positive for G Entertainment. So that's all from me. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting gold prices to test 62, 700 to 800 on upside. So one can buy around 62, 200 to 100 levels and maintain a stop loss of 61, 900. And silver also 75, 100. One should enter long and maintain a stop loss of 74, 500. On upside again, 76,000 is the area where we are expecting profit taking. So metals, yesterday copper we had witnessed prices are resisting 730 mark, and prices should consolidate from 720 to 730 levels. So trading within this range is recommended. However, one can buy around 720 with a stop loss of 718, and the pullback can be till 728 730. Zinc also, after the rally, we are expecting some cooling off. So one can sell around 226.50 with a stop loss of 228.50. It could correct till 224, 223 levels on downside. However, from these levels again, from 223, one can expect a bounce back. So buying from these levels is also recommended. In crude oil, we had seen prices testing 63 odd level, which is a resistance area, and prices have corrected from there. So we are expecting prices and can cool off till 6100. From there, one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 6020. And on pullback again, 6200, 6220, one can sell for a trading purpose also, and maintain a strict stop loss of 6300. In natural gas also, we are expecting range bound movement from 197 to 215. So trading within this range is recommended. However, 197, if it breaches and close below that, then there could be some more sell-off. But for trading purpose, one can initiate buy around 198 and maintain a stop loss of 190. And again on pullback, 208, 210, one should take profits. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USGNR, we are expecting some range bound movement within a range of 83.28 on the higher side and 83.18 on the lower side. So one can initiate a short position in the range of 83.20 to 83.22 levels with a stop loss of 83.31 levels for the target of 83.14 and 83.10 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 91.05 to 90.95 levels with a stop loss of 90.77 for the target of 91.20 and 91.31 levels. In JPY INR, one can initiate a long positions if we get some profit booking around 58.15 levels. One can initiate a long positions. The stop loss of 57.87 levels for the target of 58.37 and 58.54 levels. Thank you.